purchased, as many of you know, a Pixel 4, and I have it all set up and running. So in a few weeks, I'll give an update on just what I think of it. But today, I thought I'd do a really short video on the fact that I have a case for it. And it'll be a really quick video, but I decided to just get a case that was clear, simple, and if I dropped it, it hopefully wouldn't break. It's a non-slip grip. It's clear, and as you can see, it's got a special grip on it. It's got all kinds of other things. It says soft touch buttons, and it's a precise fit. So let's test it out. The first thing I noticed, and this is really interesting for just a cover, which we got from Amazon, by the way, it's got a little handle here that you simply pull out. So everybody is into packaging, which is why people do so many unboxing videos. So there it is in there, and let's see how it comes out. So this is it. It's kind of a plastic feeling cover. Simple, and that's all I wanted really, was simple. And we will put it on, and you can see here, maybe you can't, for the camera bump, try to put it here. There's a camera bump on the Pixel 4, and so that's where that would go. So let's fit it on, see how it fits. That's it. It is done. And we have speakers on the bottom, punched out, a hole for the charger there, and on the top for the SIM card, for the microphone hole, and of course, as I had already mentioned, on the back for that. So it feels a little bit plasticky. It is non-slip. I could tell it's non-slip. So and it fit pretty nice. It does have on the side bump outs for the buttons, and so they seem to work really well on and off. And here's the volume. So simple, not much to it. It slid right on. We'll see how it lasts. The other thing is I got it because I'm going to put on a wireless charger for my car, so I could just lay it down and in fact charge in there. So to me, this was kind of important that it supported a wireless charge, and it does. So that's it. It was short and sweet.